Hey, so it's a nice sunny day outside right now, and I'm actually gonna go to Ikea and try to do a photo shoot in Ikea, and I'll try to get some video for you guys. So, like I said before, I'm on my way to Ikea to meet up with a model. We're gonna see if we get kicked out for doing a photo shoot in Ikea, because we've had all those we've seen all those challenge videos with like Hobby Lobby challenge and shit like that. But guess what? We're gonna do an Ikea one, and I'm gonna try not to get us kicked out of Ikea. This is where the bike's parked. Got it. Cool. Ikea. So we're here at Ikea, and we're doing.
I'm so short.
We're doing a photo shoot. And there's people that work here behind us, and we're just trying to find a place to just continue doing like photos.
Look, my pins are dirty.
You're looking for a bed, so I'm gonna vlog. She's here looking for a bed, and basically.
Oh my god, they're so hard.
Basically, we're just making a video while she's here looking for a bed. I just hit that bed over there by mistake. All right, where's Vanya? Where's Vanya? I don't know where she's at all. It's just I lost her. We're looking for Vanya. So this is the end of our journey. I
didn't finish my Starbucks.
we got a lot of cool little videos for you guys. We got one picture,
Yeah.
but that's fine. We almost, I think, got caught in a way, but we didn't get kicked out. So that's a good thing, right?
I just said to say, okay, thank you.
But yeah, all right.
Worked?
So this is the end of this this vlog. Bye.
They said to wait for the right time, and I think tonight might just be right. I know you want to do it too, so bring your courage, there's no rules. Don't be scared, just trust me. Take my hand any minute now. Get ready to smile. I just wanna see the colors and rainbows, 'cause we just wanna be in this dream forever. Just in this dream forever. Just forever. Just in this dream forever.
Like, subscribe, and comment.
Just enjoy